Our flat pack container house uses standardized containers as the basic module, and through clever design and splicing, achieves infinite space expansion and flexible layout. Whether it's a compact one-bedroom apartment for single aristocrats or a cozy three-bedroom to living room apartment for families, it can be easily customized to meet your personalized needs. Say goodbye to the tedious construction process and adopt a pre-assembled design, which can be easily assembled on-site. Even in the face of harsh weather, it can remain as stable as a rock, providing you and your family with a safe and reliable haven.